Hello everyone and welcome to IEMLabs. Now in this tutorial we're going to show you how to automate WhatsApp messages using Python. Now we are going to use a very simple module called the PyWhatKit module for sending automated messages through WhatsApp. Now how shall we achieve this? Now, before installing PyWhatKit and sending our WhatsApp messages, let us tell you something about the PyWhatKit module. The PyWhatKit module or Python library is used for sending WhatsApp messages at a certain time, but it has several other special features too. For instance, one of my personal favorites is this text to handwriting feature of the PyWhatKit module. Now, this text to handwriting feature helps us to convert a piece of text, a piece of printed text, into a handwritten text through Python. Other than that, you can also play videos and audios from the web and even convert an image to an ASCII art. We will come to all of that later. Now, first of all, let us install PyWhatKit. We are going to install it through our Python package manager, pip install PyWhatKit, and press enter. Since I've already installed PyWhatKit, it is showing requirement already satisfied. Let us close this and open up our Python IDLE and open up a new Python script. As you can see, I have named my Python script as automate WhatsApp. Now, first of all, as it is important, we are going to import the PyWhatKit module into our script. Next, we are going to use a try except statement to send our message. We can do this as PyWhatKit dot send what msg message. Now, this send what message function or method takes as its argument 4 parameters. The first one being the number to which I want to send my message. The second parameter is the message that I want to send. Let us say happy birthday. And the third and the fourth parameters is the hour and the minute at which I want to send my message. Now, the hour is of a 24-hour format. So if you are sending messages after 12 p.m., then you need to write 13, 14, 15, and so on and so forth. So let us send our message at 9:38, and I'm going to write 9 hours and 38 minutes. Next, I'm going to print as sending message. And in the except statement, I'm going to write print unexpected error. Now let us run the module. Okay. And in 41 seconds, our WhatsApp web will open, and after 20 seconds, the message will be delivered. So let us wait for 41 seconds. We need to be patient with this. And now we see that our WhatsApp web has been opened up. It takes a time to load. Yeah, so WhatsApp has been opened and happy birthday message has been written automatically over here. Now let us just wait for 20 seconds. You can wait for 20 seconds, or you can just press enter and send the message to whomever you want to send. Now, the message has been delivered. So this is how you can send messages through WhatsApp at a given time, that is at a given hour and a given minute of time, and automate the sending of messages through WhatsApp using the PyWhatKit module. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified of any and every video that we post on this channel. Thank you.